Alright, we're back. It's been a little minute, I know. But there's been stuff to do. Let's have a look here, hang on. Here we go, so this is midwinter activity. Yeah, dirty little feet are making black marks on the runway. So it's quite cold this morning. It's about 9 o'clock, but the sun's only just got up really. And they're just starting to warm up. But in here, in the sides, it's been of an evening. They've been really hammering these frames. But during the day, they must all be out foraging because there's no one home during the day. But in the evening, they're really going to town on those frames. Yep, no one home. I can't see any honey in there yet, obviously, but there's been, you know, I don't know, each time I look, a couple of hundred bees on the frames doing whatever it is they do with their heads in the holes and stuff. Nothing much there, but it's winter time. Anyway, I probably would have expected to see more bees in the hive when you look in there, but I don't know, it's winter after all, and this is the first time around, so we'll see.